In front of me is Microsoft Surface Go 2nd, and let me show you how to activate nightlight on this device. So at first you need to open your Start panel, go to Settings then, and now select System. Here pick Display, and as you can see, nightlight is located over here in the middle of the screen. If you'd like to activate it, just mark the switcher, and from now on it is active. Whenever you'd like to turn it off, just unmark it. However, if you'd like to manage this feature, just click on Nightlight Settings, and here you can smoothly change the strength of this panel. As you can see, this is how it looks. You can also turn it on now from this board, and also you can schedule it. So if you'd like to schedule, just click on and pick the hours between which this mode would be active. So you can set it between 10 and 6 in the morning. Okay, so between 10 and 7. And that's it. From now on, nightlight will be automatically activated at 10 p.m. and then it will be switched off at 7 a.m. So this is it. This will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.